Okay, we've got a hack squat here. This is an adjustable hack squat, so we have adjustment at the back here. Now, realistically, you can change the adjustment depending on your skill level and depending on the amount of tension you want to put through the quads. It's going to be dictated hugely by mobility as well. So when you're setting up the hack squat, most important thing is get that foot plate in the right position. And again, if we sit into our hack squat, so he's sitting into his hack squat, that lower back is engaged here, so he's engaged into the machine. You're pushing up and unlocking the machine. Now here we're going to see what his active range is and where he has to adjust his feet. So if he comes down into his position, you can see here the foot is flat, he's able to drive through the heel and the entire foot. So that's a good position for him. He's getting below and he's getting full knee flexion here. Very, very good position for him to build his legs. So you're driving out of the bottom, you're bracing that lower back, you're driving through that core, pushing against the heels and the full foot as you push out of the machine. Now, we'll say here if his feet position was too low, what we'd be looking for here, that we'd have to adjust his foot positions when he comes down, you can see movement. See where the heel is coming off in this position? He's driving a lot of his weight through his front of his foot. So again, that shows that the mobility within that foot position is not there, so he has to adjust a little bit up the machine. Again, the front plate will adjust as well accordingly for the person. But the most important thing with hack squat is a big brace at the start. You're controlling the eccentric load, pausing at the bottom, taking in inertia out of the machine, and then driving through the foot plate with your full foot, heel and foot pad here, driving through the machine. The most important, keeping your brace as you drive, and again pushing and keeping your head back is really important in this machine, not to be here forward with your neck when you're trying to drive through the machine from the bottom to the top. So really important, guys, you set yourself up, get that foot position right, adjust according to the person, and again you can adjust the height of the machine as well. The higher you go, the more difficult it's going to be. Think of that force as more vertical, and you can lower it down if you want to be a little bit easier, and you can build yourself up on this one.